Hey, sunshine's back today. No rain, just mostly sunny skies. Temperatures back in the 90s this afternoon. Light breeze around today, but kind of the usual summer heat and humidity here. We're mostly staying below 100, except maybe parts of Starr County. So again, mostly sunny weather to start the week. Not as much of that Saharan dust in the air. Remember, it was very dusty last few days. We had the air quality take a drop. It's come back up a bit. We're back into the moderate category, but still some dust in the air, but it's been cut down from what it was yesterday and even back on Saturday. I don't know if you noticed on Saturday, I didn't get a video of it, but when the sun was setting, there was so much dust in the air, the sun kind of just disappeared into the dust a few minutes before sunset. It didn't even make it to the horizon. It kind of just faded away into the dust near the horizon. So not quite as bad yesterday and not nearly as bad today. Next chance for a shower maybe by about the 4th of July. Could have 1 or 2 showers or a storm. Then I think by Thursday and Friday, the rain chances could be a little bit higher, but don't think we're going to have any rain around during fireworks time on the 4th of July. I think most of the day is dry, and if there is a shower, it's mainly in the afternoon. 90s across the area right now, 90 in Port Isabel, 94 in Rio Grande City, 92 in Brownsville, and temperatures likely in the mid to upper 90s most of this afternoon coming. Humidity, though, is still fairly high. Dew points are in the mid 70s or so, and that makes the heat index, how hot it feels, already above 100, about the 103 to 106 range in most spots, except for just a little bit lower near the coast. But you start to get these hot temperatures around, high humidity, not much of a breeze in some areas today. So, it's kind of stay cool out there. Dew points are up in the mid 70s in that very humid category, and it's kind of where we sit most of the time. It fluctuates a little bit. Sometimes it comes down a bit, but generally in that 70s something category. So again, the heat index, as you saw, getting close to 105 or a little bit hotter. You always want to slow down and stay cool on these hot days. Find some place to stay cool really every day in the summer, but this is the hottest part of the day coming up, of course, in the early afternoon. And talking about that dust too, the air quality back to moderate across the area. We were down in this unhealthy for sensitive groups category over the weekend, but it's improved a bit. The computer models with the dust do show waves of dust still moving across the Atlantic throughout the week, so we may see that air quality take a little bit of a dip at times late this week or toward the weekend again. Satellite radar shows, we showed you earlier, just after the top of the hour, one weak disturbance here right along the Gulf Coast. This is moving west. As it gets closer, it could start to pull in enough moisture for a couple showers or storms by midweek. You can see on Future Track today, though, just mainly mostly sunny skies around, hot temperatures, dry conditions, and then tonight, clear to partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow looks similar to today, mostly sunny skies, hot again. And then as we get into Wednesday, again, I think most of the day is going to be dry. You start to see clouds increasing a little bit, and Future Track even shows a couple blips of a shower there, but really almost nothing. I think we're kind of on the borderline of the moisture on Wednesday with most of it to the north, but you see the clouds trying to spread in. So if we do get enough moisture, there might be a shower or a thunderstorm in spots during the day, but probably not much. So the first 1570 forecast, dry today, dry tomorrow, very isolated shower storm chances, maybe 1 or 2 here or there during the afternoon on Wednesday, but nothing for the evening hours. And then Thursday and Friday, I think rain chances come up a bit. If you had to put a number on it, maybe as high as 30 or 40%, but still that means more than half the area will stay dry. Not looking for widespread heavy rain or anything like that, but enough moisture for maybe a couple of downpours that could add up to an inch or more in spots if things do get going. And then after that, Saturday and Sunday, less rain, but it stays hot again. After a small dip in temperatures by Thursday and Friday, we come right back up into the mid to upper 90s. So probably Thursday and Friday, your 2 best days for rain, but we'll track it throughout the week in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.